The High Water Line New Jersey is a public-facing project, and one of the things I love about public-facing projects is getting students, colleagues, members of the community together in a space so that when I talk about things like sea level rise and I say there will be 18 feet of sea level rise here, they don't just see numbers on a page. They're actually standing in front of a building and they're imagining and envisioning that 18 feet of water hitting them.
So a lot of time in the classroom, a lot of times looking at models or looking at graphs or even maps on your computer. And when you're actually standing in the place and you're drawing a line of where the sea level will be after 5 feet of sea level rise, it definitely hits home a lot harder.
One of the things I like to do is to look at really old historical wetlands maps, like from 1850, and then combine them with a map from Climate Central's sea level rise viewer, and to look at the overlap. You see this whole area is going to be underwater, and you see the area here is also going to be underwater. Now look at how that matches up with where the wetlands once were. That's awesome.
Paste too, or is it staying
No,
like this?
it stays chalky, yeah.
Okay. It's not bad.
The High Water Line project is effectively chalking an outline of where sea level rise will be predicted to be by the year 2100.
Here we go. Sorry, everyone.
We saw a house that had been recently, actually was in the process of being raised as we were chalking this outline. So it was really interesting because you see that there is an awareness in this area of the inundation that is to come.
Sayreville was offered a buyout through federal funds that are administered through New Jersey's Blue Acres program. People who had lived in that area had accepted the buyouts and, crucially, bought another home in Sayreville. And the benefits of returning a flood-prone area to open space is that you've basically created a buffer for any future sea level rise or storm surge that hits that area.
But I think this makes me more interested in modeling how it will affect the places where I'm from. It's always been more of an abstract global problem, but it's so clear to see that this global problem is felt very locally, and that I definitely think will direct the way I conduct my research or conduct my academic future.